think I'll go get some spray. Turns out it's this unit, not that one. And I'm all out of spray. All right, you know what? Let's go get the spray. I'm getting off of here.
As y'all can see, these bees got me stressing. Not as stressed as I would be if I was missing phone calls from customers or potential customers. That's why we got Free to Grow. See this number here? Give this number a call, test it out for yourselves. You won't be disappointed. Trust me when I tell you, having an AI answering system that answers 100% of your calls is a game changer. It's got a 75% booking rate, which is absolutely absurd. If you know your metrics, you'll know that a 75% booking rate is pretty good. So while I'm up there having bee warfare, I can rest easy knowing that all my calls are being answered and getting booked. So again, this number here, give it a call, test it out for yourselves, set up a demo. Let me know what y'all think about Free to Grow. This thing is fantastic. It seamlessly integrates with CRMs out there such as House Call Pro, Field Pulse, Jobber, Service Titan, the list goes on. And if you run a business, keeping your budget where it needs to be, it's crucial. That's why Free to Grow has a flat monthly rate and no overage charges so you don't blow that budget. So again, guys, give this number a call. Let me know what you think, but I'm gonna get back on this roof, go fight some bees, and hopefully figure out what's going on with this job.
What's up? All right. Let that ride. At 202, 202. Y out. So I popped off the top of the contactor to see if this common is running through all the way. 23 volts there. So our common's coming through off our, oh my God, the zebra to our Y. There's gonna be a delay in this board, okay? But if I jump out my Y call, it should pull that contactor in. Let me go grip my jumper king. Okay. So we're going Bees getting on my damn nerves. All right, let me do this. All right, I'm gonna do We'll bypass this whole board here. Let me get our fan. Wire. Let me get this, our Y from the board here, okay? And then I'm gonna take our fan also here. There's our fucking V again, you fucking bird. Alright. She's on. It's running. Got a bad board. Alright, so we got the board bypassed. We just jumped it out. So we're now rocking and rolling. We're gonna check our pressures while we're at it. God, the amount of oil in. Oh shit. That's about 80 degrees in there. As you can see, our saturation's climbing, so that's about right. It's I'm gonna let this thing just run like it is, man, and we'll get back out here and we'll replace the board.
Alright, that's going to be a wrap on today's video, y'all. I hope you enjoyed it, man. I went back, I replaced the board a couple days later. It was super cold in there. It was like 68 degrees. They keep it at 74. Nobody was complaining, obviously, but just by jumping everything out, getting it to run was good. Once I replaced this bad boy, there was no more issues. I really dislike commercial for that reason, right? Up and down the ladder. I went up there multiple times. The video is not going to display how long I was there. I was there for probably like hour and a half, 2 hours, just messing with that and then running to go get the bee spray. Running back, it was quite a pain in the ass, to say the least, right? But by the time I got off the roof, I was like beet red. I'll overlay it. I did film an outro in the thing, but I was like exhausted, and I got like, it was rough, okay? So all you commercial guys, I get it, I love it. It's cool when it's cool, but for that shit, it sucked ass. I could have taken my umbrella up there, but fighting the damn bees was such a pain in the ass. I couldn't like just focus on the job and get it together. So like I was trying to diagnose it, then the bees were swarming me, and then I'd get back into it, so whatever, it was all over the place. But again, guys, I appreciate y'all watching the video. Go ahead and give that number a call. Let me know what y'all think. I want to hear the calls. They're so funny. I've heard a few and quite entertaining to say the least. But with that being said, if y'all could smash the like button, consider subscribing. All my subscribers, y'all already know. I appreciate y'all, and I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Later.